NASDAQ's also been the weaker index. I mean, in terms of how deep it declined, the strength of its comeback, and it hasn't necessarily proven as much. If you look at the equal-weighted S&P, actually, the average S&P stock's doing much better.
Got a pretty busy floor here this morning. Nice to see as we get the opening bell and the CNBC real-time exchange here at the big board. It is Black Rifle Coffee Company celebrating its listing via SPAC at the NASDAQ. Hardcore Enterprises, a software development company, celebrating its IPO. Anytime you mention coffee these days, you got to talk about input costs because coffee futures.
Absolutely.
7-year high, maybe?
Yes, coffee futures is actually kind of an amazing chart. It looks great. A lot of the ag commodities are doing very well. If you're looking for, kind of pockets of strength, fertilizer stocks breaking out. We talked about just the general agricultural futures, Deere and AGCO had good numbers this week. So, look, there's pockets of the economy that are built for inflation and scarcity, and that's kind of what we're seeing there.
Yeah, Coke's a great example of that. 45 cents does beat by 4 cents. Organic up 9. Some of these organic numbers on consumer products companies are just amazing. We haven't seen numbers like this in a while. A lot of that was volume and price, but they do guide a touch light.
Yeah.
2022 commodity price inflation, expect mid-single-digit percentage headwind. And for a company that knows how to work in an environment like this.
Yes, I mean, they serially, like, in a normal year, are going to try to get a little bit of pricing through. There was a definite effect of a kind of a reopening effect. People with in-person events helped the volume numbers for Coke. And yeah, the guide definitely is a little bit squishy. I would point out, too, the dividend yield on Coke down to 2.75%. Obviously, a nice premium to the S&P, but it's pretty much the low end of its range over the last 10 years. So that's kind of one fewer reason, I think, to kind of rush in on this number.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.